This is Windows 98 running on native hardware. Also, yes, this is a ball mouse. This is absolutely insane. It's all working just fine. Like, let me just type WinVer really quickly. But anyway, yep. We have everything running here, and also, if we go to... That's active desktop. I don't want active desktop. Where's control panel? I can't see where control panel is. Okay, whatever. But anyway, yeah, it's all working and just fine and everything. Oh, here it is. Okay. Now let's... I forgot I don't have a scroll wheel on this mouse. Let's go to System. And would you look at this? Windows 98 and also an Athlon 64 processor with about 1 gig of RAM. So that's the limit of how much Windows 98 can actually use in reality. Without actually using any of those mods that people provide. But anyway, this is the floppy disk drive. This one is my DVD-ROM drive. This thing is broken, by the way. Like, I can't get it out of the... Yeah, whatever. So I have to use a pin. And this is the CPU, the GPU. This is my Radeon. My RAM. It's all working. Like, I'm so... I don't know what to say. This is so cool.